Hello everybody, welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're going to be bringing you the C-tread pattern tracks. This is a very heavy duty set of tracks that is manufactured with a high quality rubber compound, as well as you're going to have those continuous steel cables running throughout the tracks. This is going to help give you a longer life out of the tracks, less breakdown on that rubber. That way you're getting the most hourage out of your tracks before needing replacements. The C-tread track is going to be your jack of all trades. It's going to be fantastic for pretty much every application. You're going to be in great condition if you're doing forestry work or if you are on construction sites or scrap yards, as well as if you're in dirt or snow or something where you're needing a little bit more traction than you would see with, let's say, the block tread. So, for example, if you're out doing forestry work and you needed a durable set of tracks where if you're running over sharp branches or sharp stones or anything like that, they're going to be very abrasive and can take that abrasion without tearing or cutting or anything like that, but you're also going to get a little bit of traction. So let's say you have a plan to go out the next day and it rains the night before and that ground surface turns to be a little bit more muddy and sloppy. The C-tread track is going to be fantastic to give you that traction you may be looking for when it has rained and you are in that mud or dirt. But also, like I said, it's going to give you that durability if you are running into those sharp objects. The C-tread track is going to be just as thick as your block tread. It's going to be 2.5 inches thick from the bottom of the track here to the top of this tread pad or that C. And then that C tread is going to be 1.5 inches thick from the bottom to the top if you're to measure that height. When taking a look at the width of the tread on this set of tracks, you're going to see at the wider section, it's going to be 5 inches wide if you were to measure from the left to the right. And then where it's creating that C shape, where that cutout is, that's going to be about 2 inches. And so that leaves about, I would say, 1 inch of a gap in between to create that C, which is going to give you an additional groove. So in between each tread pad, you're going to, of course, have a section that the tread isn't raised up, and that's going to help give that extra edge and bite and grip to the ground surface, as well as in between those very durable block-like tread pads that has now been created into a C to give you that extra groove and traction. So you're getting a little bit more extra bite and a little bit more edge inside of the tread itself. If you look underneath the set of tracks, you're going to find that there is a rubber coating over that metal where your sprockets and your undercarriage rides. And this is going to be really nice to have on a set of tracks because it's going to ensure that you're going to have a longer life on your undercarriage parts. So when your sprocket's riding underneath there, you're not going to have it dulling down or whittling away at the teeth of the sprocket. So this way you're going to get a long life on your undercarriage with our set of tracks, as well as your tracks themselves are going to give you a long life too. So you're going to get the most hourage with your machine before needing any sort of replacements. Where this set of tracks is probably not the best is going to be any of your landscaping applications or any of your yard or lawn work where you're not trying to, of course, rip up the ground surface at all or create any damage or a big footprint. So the C-tread, again, is going to be pretty much used in every other application: construction sites, scrap yards, out on a farm, forestry work, dirt, mud, snow, any of those sort of things. It's going to be fantastic for. You still could use it on the landscaping jobs, but it's just not going to be as a smooth ride or as minimal ground disturbance as you would see with something like a multi-bar. If you do have any questions or are interested in the C-tread, please give us a call. Our number is 866-315-3134. You can also click the link in the description below to pull up additional information or features on this set of tracks, as well as some additional photos we may have online. We are also offering free shipping on a pair. So if you are to get a set of tracks for your machine, you're going to get free shipping on them, as well as we usually can ship them out the same day, or if not, for sure the next day. So getting these tracks to you, if your machine's down, we can get them to you very, very quick. That way you can be back up and running in no time. Thank you all very much for watching. We do appreciate it, and you all have a great rest of your day.